So this concept of Ajambela have been there before our fathers were born. Is a kind of stories parents tell their children using animals, you know, trying to teach them morals by bringing in animals to be the characters.
Ajambele, the real African story.